Scriptures by Guru Maharaj Sri K.R. Santanam.
Such is the mind. There is no limit to the power of the human mind. The more concentrated it is, the more power is brought to bear on one point. We are born to concentrate the mind on God after collecting the mental rays that are dissipated on various objects. That is our important duty. We forget the duty on account of moha, attachment to the family, children, name and fame, money, power, and position. Mind is compared to quicksilver because its rays are scattered over various objects. It is compared to a monkey because it jumps from one object to another. It is compared to moving air because it is restless. It is compared to a furious elephant because of its passionate impetuosity. Mind is known by name Great Bird because it jumps from one object to another just as a bird jumps from one twig to another, from one tree to another. Raja Yoga teaches how to concentrate the mind and then how to ransack the innermost recesses of our mind. Concentration is opposed to sensuous desires, as is bliss to flurry and worry, sustained thinking to perplexity, applied thinking to sloth and torpor, rapture to ill will. So long as the thoughts of one are not thoroughly destroyed through persistent practice, he should ever be concentrating his mind on one truth at a time. Through such unremitting practice, one pointedness of the mind will accrue, and instantly all the host of thoughts will vanish. To remove this tossing of the mind and various obstacles which stand in the way of one pointedness of the mind, the practice of concentration on one thing alone should be made. The more the mind is fixed on God, the more strength we will acquire. More concentration means more energy. Concentration opens the inner chambers of love or the realm of eternity. Concentration is a source of spiritual strength. Fix the mind on the Atman. Fix the mind on the all pervading pure intelligence and self luminous effulgence. Stand firm in Brahman. Then we will become Brahma Samastha, established in Brahman.